Well, it's April 1st, and we got over 12 inches of this heavy snow here over the night. Really pretty, there's no wind right now. We're having to walk in from the gate, but we had to wait for the grader to come in to get that far. There's no way we wanted to walk half mile in this stuff and then another half mile going back out. This couple hundred yards be enough. I'm going down to check the tanks and see what's going on, because probably get a pretty good sap run tomorrow, and I'm guessing they may be running pretty good today. Eric was checking some trees there. What'd you find on those trees?
Huh?
They running at all?
A little bit, but not.
Okay, so we don't have a big sap run going on today, which is good. We didn't lose any sap on the tanks then, so that's good. But we'll walk in here and check them out and probably walk back out. Not much else to do. Well, that snow slid off part of the evaporator building roof. You can see it in there. It's dang near as high as the roof is. Well, there's the squirrel tracks. Somebody made it through the winter. Won't be too long now, we'll be able to see our tank and see if we have to pump tonight. It's kind of looking like the answer to that might be yes. That's what it's looking like to me from here, but we'll get up a little closer. It's kind of looking like that tank is pretty much up to the top. At least up to the ridge there. Yeah, it's probably got about 100 room for 100 gallons here. Let's see how much it's running in the pump house. Yeah, 1250, about 1400 in there. It's a 1500 gallon tank. The question is how it's running in here and how long it's going to keep running like that. Pretty decent flow coming in. Not much on the west. I think we may have to start the pump. We'll have to decide if it'll be enough to hold until tomorrow.